What's going on, team? Gonna give everybody a few minutes here to join before we get started. Hope you guys had a fantastic trading day today. Gonna give everybody about another minute, minute and a half, and then we're gonna get started. Alright, let's get started, guys. So we're gonna start off with AU, right? It's Friday, right? So I'm not gonna go in depth with too many pairs. All I'm gonna be looking for, especially now on a Friday, is a 372, right? Do we have any continuations? Any trades going with the trend, with the overall market makers pattern? If not, then again, just tomorrow we'll look at it and we'll try to break it down a little bit more. But again, we're gonna keep it simple, right? We know we're trading between this 30-minute high, this 30-minute low. Price rejected these 30-minute lows and started going up, right? So at this point, these 30-minute highs, strong 30-minute highs, we have not had price come up and tap it yet. So could we be expecting something like this to happen, right? It could be something we could see, right? Or vice versa, where price breaks above and then gives us a retest to continue to push to the top side. So we'll have to just wait it out. Euro AUD, we are still trading between lower low, lower high, lower low. Then price went up, gave us a change of character, right? Price never came into these lows, right? And we know we're still trading between these lows and these highs. So these lows are going to be very interesting. We have 2 days of drop, right? This is going counter, so I'm not expecting, 372, but we could be seeing price push down. And this is going to be one where we want to be aggressive with these trades. We can be. Right, this move down here is 35 pips. We could expect something like this to be given today. That'll be what I'll be looking for Euro AUD. Go to Euro USD, EU, we have a day of rise. Today gave us a second day of rise. Right, third day already gave us that new high with this with these pushes to the top side that we have already. So not in the best place to look for a trade, but we will continue to see, right? We had price sweep the lows, went up, gave us a higher low, pushed up. At this point, I still want to see price break above these highs. If we could get price to break above these highs, this will be that position for this. Again, remember, this is for Friday, so we're not gonna do anything crazy, no crazy breakdowns. But if you guys have any questions, anything you guys want me to explain, let me know. And if you guys have any pairs you guys want me to go over, whether or not they're on our list, let me know. If not, once we're done with these pairs, we'll be done for the day. Slow down, G, bro. My bad. Nah, remember it's Thursday, right? So it's not tomorrow being Friday for our trading day. I'm not going down from to the daily to the 4 to the 30 minute. I'm just doing the 30 minute and just looking for 372s, right? Any continuations that we could look for. But I'm doing good, man. How you doing? How was your day today? But yeah. If you have any questions too, any pairs that I've missed, let me know. GCAD, we had 3 days of rise. Third day gave us a rise. No net. Fourth day gave us a day of drop. Nice pullback shit. On this pullback, we know that we're still trading between this 30-minute high and this 30-minute low. So internally, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we'll wait it out and see. Could see. Okay. We could delete this, I guess. This too. If we could get price to break above here, then we'll see price continuing that uptrend push. Price breaks below these lows, then we'll cover these imbalances on the left hand side. GJ, 2 days of drop, could be looking for 372. Looks like price is already going for it, but we'll keep an eye on it. We had high, higher low, higher high, change of character, lower low, lower high. Right, and again, I don't really want to use the wick, so I do want to say that we have a lower low. So we're trading between these highs and these lows. Beautiful 372 deals on GG on EA. Let's look at EA. The only thing with EA, right, it could be just based on these lows down here, but because we're still in an overall uptrend, right? If we go up to a daily time frame, I really feel like these lows that were swept, right? I feel like this is where price is gonna do the same thing and just reject these lows to start pushing up. But we are in the middle of the zone, so we'll see. And GJ kind of the same thing, right? But we could see that GJ might want to come down to these 4-hour lows down here. GU, no, don't freeze. Okay, thank you. GU, we have a no net. Still gonna keep these highs here. We're still trading between the same 30-minute lows and 30-minute highs. US30, we have 2 days of rise. We also know we're trading between high, low, higher, high, change of character, lower, low, lower, high, break of structure, lower, low. Then price went up and gave us a change of character, higher, high. So we have a change of character, and we know that we're trading now between this low and these highs up here. Yeah, and US30 already gave us STP for the day too, so it's kind of crazy. Well, actually no, this was the last. Damn, that was the last candle of the day. Market opened up here. Okay. Good man, just waking up super late with a headache. Man, you gotta take some CMOS. Hope you start feeling better, man. Covered these gaps at the top. It's looking good. We can see here that price is just kind of consolidating between these highs and these lows. Um, so would be interesting. These highs, right? If we could get price to give us an engulfing candle up here going down, then we could take an easy trade here at the top. Would not be a bad play. Would be pretty good. So let's see. USDCAD, we have 2 days of counter drop. Exactly what we wanted to see. Price consolidating. We wanted to see that break, so it's looking good too. Trading between these 30-minute highs and 30-minute lows. Still gonna waiting out to see where price wants to go. USD ZAR is one that I got in pretty late in the day. I was looking at my computer all day. We'll wait and see, right? I want to see price first and foremost. Let's look at, we have a drop, 2 days of drop, right? We got a low with these wicks. Price started pushing up a little bit. So let's see how that finishes. Down to the 4-hour lows. I do want to keep an eye on oil as well. Oil ended up giving us a no net. Did we ever get that 4-hour engulfing candle? We did. We got the 4-hour engulfing, price went up, retested the zone, and it's been just into the zone the entire time. Just consolidating. We swept the 4-hour lows, we swept those 5-minute lows as well. Price looks like it wants to start going up. So could this be where price, what we drew here, could this be where price pulls back? It could be. Right, so internally, right, we had lower low, lower high, lower low. Let's say for the sake of oil, right, because technically we are trading lower low, lower high, right? Let's say we're trading between the last red candle before the push up here, right, for the sake of these zones, and the last green candle before the push down. So let's see. But regardless, been on the chart seeing what's happening. Yeah, that's good. Day of drop. Expecting gold to reach these lows, right? We're still trading between these lows and these highs. Could be expecting price to do something like this, one or the other. So we still got to be patient with this one. Price almost reached it today. It was like 10 a.m. right, and then went right back up to the top. Do you do one-on-one class? Yeah, I can. I can, yeah. I'll be available tomorrow. Pretty much all day tomorrow. And then if you want to do it this weekend, I'll see what times I'm available. Friend try request while you would seem busy. I don't know. I didn't get the notification, but let's see. Oh, I see. Okay. I don't know. I didn't get the notification, but yeah, I saw. I just seen it now. Alright, but I suggested him talk to you. Okay, cool. Tell him to if he's available tomorrow, tell him to book one for tomorrow, and then or tell him to or just tell him to message me on Discord too, and then we'll set that up. All right. So gold, yeah, this is what I'm looking for, right? I'm waiting to see what price wants to do. I want to get in on these lows, to see if price is either gonna respect or if it's gonna reject and give us a breakup below the lows retest to continue to go down. And then last pair for the night, guys, Bitcoin. Again, if you guys have any other questions, anything you guys want to go over, anything you guys want me to go over again, let me know. If not, this is the last pair for the night, and then we'll see you tomorrow for the live trading session in the morning, and then we'll see you guys again in the weekend for the weekly market breakdown. So Bitcoin did give us a nice break of these highs, right? This is exactly what we want to see, right? We're still respecting the lower lows, lower highs, and lower lows that we have here, right? Internally, we know external, we're trading lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? So could we be expecting price to give us a pullback? It could happen, but we want to just be aware of these zones here, right? We have these highs here, so we know that this is where price is going to be rejecting, right? So if we could get price, if we get a high up here, we break, we got a nice clean traffic up until here, right? Then when price breaks these highs, we know we have clean traffic here, right? But if price respects these highs, price could always turn back around, right, and go down. So we got to be patient with these zones, especially on a Friday, especially in a week where we pretty much had news every day, right? So before we get off, let's look at Forex Factory. What's our news looking like for tomorrow? We have no news overnight. The first set of news is 8:30 a.m. for USD and then 10 a.m. So medium impact at 9:45. So next week looks clean too. That's tonight's class, guys. Any other questions? Any other pairs you guys want me to go over at all? If not, we'll be done. Alright, my brother. See you tomorrow. Alright, guys. Peace out.